Hey there, welcome to my guide on how to eat healthy without emptying your wallet. If you've ever walked into a grocery store and felt overwhelmed by the prices, you're definitely not alone. But here's the good news. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. In fact, with a few simple strategies, you can make nutritious choices and still have money left over for the things you love. Think eating healthy is expensive? Think again. Grocery prices can be shocking, but there are so many ways to stretch your dollar and still fill your cart with good-for-you foods. You don't have to break the bank to eat well. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite tips for budget-friendly grocery shopping, so you can eat better, save money, and feel awesome. Whether you're shopping for one or feeding a family, these tips will help you make the most of every trip to the store. Let's dive right in. The first step to saving money at the grocery store actually starts before you even get there. It all begins with a little bit of planning. Plan out your meals for the week. Take a few minutes to think about what you want to eat, and jot down some simple recipes or meal ideas. This helps you avoid last-minute takeout and impulse buys. Seriously, this is a game changer. When you know what you're cooking, you can buy exactly what you need. No more, no less. Plus, it makes your week so much less stressful. I always write a shopping list and double-check what's already in my pantry and fridge before I go. You'd be surprised how many ingredients you already have hiding in the back of your shelves. That way, I don't end up buying stuff I don't need, and I can use up what I've already got. Less waste, more savings. It's a small habit that really adds up over time. Now, here's a trick that's saved me tons over the years. Buy smart, not fancy. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging or big brands. Those big name brand foods? Most of the time, the store brand or generic versions are just as good, sometimes even made by the same companies. You can save a surprising amount just by reaching for the store's own label. So, skip the fancy labels and save some cash. Over time, those small savings really add up, and you'll barely notice the difference in taste or quality. I always try to fill my cart with fresh produce, whole grains, and canned beans. These foods are the foundation of a healthy diet, and they're usually some of the most affordable options in the store. They're all super nutritious and easy on the wallet. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can use them in salads, soups, stir-fries, and more. Want to get even more value? Shop for fruits and veggies that are in season. Seasonal produce is not only cheaper, but it's also at its peak flavor and nutrition. Not only are they fresher and tastier, but they're way cheaper too. If you're not sure what's in season, just look for what's on sale or ask someone at the store. I love checking out local farmers markets whenever I can. You can often find great deals on fresh, local produce, and sometimes even organic options for less than the supermarket. You'll often find awesome deals on seasonal produce, plus it supports your local community. Win-win. And don't forget, shopping local means your food is often fresher and has traveled less, which is better for the environment too. Now, let's talk protein, because you don't have to spend big to get what your body needs. Protein is essential for staying full and energized, but it doesn't have to come from expensive cuts of meat. Instead of pricey cuts of meat, I go for eggs, beans, lentils, and canned tuna. These are all affordable, easy to store, and can be used in tons of different recipes. These are all budget-friendly, packed with protein, and so versatile for meals. You can make hearty stews, salads, or even breakfast dishes with these ingredients. Peanut butter is another awesome option that lasts a long time in the pantry. It's great for quick snacks, sandwiches, or even adding to smoothies for a protein boost. Here's something I learned the hard way. Avoid loading up on processed and junk foods. They might seem like a bargain, but they're often full of empty calories and don't keep you satisfied for long. Sure, those snacks might seem cheap at first, but they really add up, and honestly, they don't do your health any favors. Instead, focus on foods that actually nourish your body and keep you feeling good. Instead, I stick to whole foods, things like fruits, veggies, oats, and brown rice. These staples are filling, nutritious, and can be used in so many different ways. They keep me full longer and give my body the good stuff it needs. Plus, when you cook at home, you control what goes into your meals, which means less salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. So, to wrap it up, healthy eating doesn't have to cost more. With a little planning, smart shopping, and a willingness to try new things, you can eat well on any budget. Just plan smart, shop smart, and enjoy delicious, fresh food every day. Remember, every small change you make adds up to a healthier, happier you. I hope these tips help you save money and feel amazing, because you deserve it. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes or swap out ingredients based on what's on sale. Eating healthy on a budget is totally possible, and you might even discover some new favorite foods along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, eat smart, live better. See you next time. Until then, happy shopping and happy eating.